Hello friends, welcome to Hello English. My name is Rupam. In today's video, I have come up with a set of another 5 important books. 2 weeks back, there was one video. This is the video which I made and many of you guys liked it. You also requested to make another video with different set of books. So I have another set of books, 5 books. And this book can do wonders in your life. This book can make you strong in English. This book can build discipline inside you. These books can guide you, and most importantly, these books can motivate you to improve your life and yourself. So please watch this video till the end, and I'm sure you'll get a lot of ideas. But before I start, I have one question. Do you have the habit of reading books? Let me know in the comment. So here I am with these 5 books. But let me share with you a small story. Once upon a time, there was a boy. He used to compare himself with others. Whenever he used to see a guy who can run very fast, he used to think, I wish I can also run so fast. Whenever he used to come across some good students, he used to think, wish I can also become a very good student. In this way, he always used to remain sad. One day, a Guruji came to his village. And he decided to visit that Guruji and ask him how to improve his life. So he went and met the Guruji. The Guruji was sitting under a very old tree in the village. He went and said, Gurudev, I am here to ask you something. I want to know how can I improve my life and how can I stay happy always. Gurudev said, well, my dear, first of all, you should stop comparing yourself with others. Gurudev also gave an example. He said, now if a fish compares itself with the birds and try to fly, will it be able to do? No. Same case, if an eagle see a fish swimming so nicely in the water and it also want to swim, can the eagle swim in the water? No. So everyone is unique. So you should not compare yourself with others. Gurudev also said, you have to improve yourself. You have to improve your inner self so that you stay happy and you stay energetic. For that, you need to read books. Every day, you should develop the habit of reading books. When you develop the habit of reading books, automatically all the negative things from your life will go away. So my dear friends, do you know what is the moral of this story? Let me know in the comment. So why I am telling you? Because reading books not only helps you to become strong in English, remember, it also helps you overall. It will bring an overall development in your life. You will become more focused towards your life. You will be open to learning and so many things will happen. So now let me share with you the name of these 5 books and how these books can help you to improve yourself. The first book which I will tell you is called Who Moved My Cheese? Who Moved My Cheese by Dr. Spencer Johnson. Well, this is a very informative book. In this book, the author explains that change is inevitable. If you cannot adapt to the change, you will not be able to grow in life. You must be willing to let go of the old to find new opportunities. Here, cheese represents what we value in life. This book will not only keep you motivated, it will tell you about different phases of life, how you can improve yourself. Plus, the language in this book is very easy to understand. If you are a language learner, if you are an English learner, I would request you to purchase this book. Link will be given in the description. You can purchase it from there also. You can pick up the words which you don't understand and try to improve your English. The second book which I have is called The Mahabharata. This is a book by Spiders Publication. Why I'm telling you about this book? Because this book contains very easy to understand sentences. Let me read 2 lines for you. On a bright sunny morning, Bhim was going for hunting. This part of the jungle was very dense, but there was a single track of a sandy ground like a blood vein at the back of the head. Bhim walked on. Suddenly, he came to a standstill, for he saw a big python lay curved ahead. See, it's so easy to understand. My dear friends, I'm sure you want to improve your English conversation. So how you can improve your conversation? You have to learn more and more vocabularies. So in this book, you will find new vocabularies, easy to understand phrases, and this book will help you to master grammar at the same time. I'm sure many of you read Mahabharata. Mahabharata talks about Dharma. It teaches us the path of righteousness. Also, once you read this book, you will understand the dangers of ego and greed. The downfall of the Kauravas happened only because of their ego and greed. Also, in this book, Sri Krishna's guidance to the Pandavas shows that intelligence, patience, and strategy are just as important as strength. So I will tell you, please read this book. The third book I have is called Fairy Tales. My dear friends, this is a wonderful book if you are a beginner, because in this book you will find word meanings. See, I will tell you, when I open the book, there are some words which are highlighted. You can see the words. Now these are some tough words. Genuine, lacking. Okay? You may not be aware of these words. So if you have any confusion about the words, you can simply go to the last page. In the last page, you will find all the words which you have not understood. It's like a mini dictionary, and this is a great way to improve your vocabulary. So you can always pick up this book, read the book, whatever words you don't understand, you can just go to the last page and get the meaning of this. Wonderful, right? Try it out. The next book which I have is Mindful Zen Habits. In this book, you will come across different things about life. How simplicity and minimalism helps us to stay focused in life. This book tells us the importance of meditation, of prayer. And the most important thing is that small, consistent change is always required to stay motivated, to stay connected with the life. At the back side of the cover, it's been mentioned that in this book, you will learn how to enjoy the present moment, how to calm down your thoughts, how to improve your focus and productivity, how to finally find peace of mind, how to create lasting habits. Wonderful book. The final book which I have today is called You Can Win by Shiv Khera. My dear friend, this is a motivational book. In this book, you will find idioms and phrases and short stories. With those stories, you can practice how to improve your English. Just go through 2 or 3 pages, read it out loud and clear, then close the book and try to repeat the same thing in your own words. What you have understood, you just have to explain the same thing in your own words. That will take you to the next level of English learning. And this book is very easy to read. You will understand everything. For example, if I read few lines. What's the greatest motivator? The greatest motivator is belief. People will do a lot for money, more for a good leader, but most for a belief. Belief is the greatest motivator. But remember, a false belief is also a belief. It's so easy to understand, right? So my dear friends, pick up these 5 books and try to improve your English. Reading is a great habit. It takes away a lot of negative things from our life. So if you really want to improve yourself, read books on a regular basis. If you have any question, you can ask me. I will see you again. Thank you.